When I was making that anti-theft device, I needed sugar cube relays. You will be surprised to know that there's not, I need a lot of things, and I was very surprised to know there's not a single company in India that makes sugar cube relays. They make those big ones, but the sugar cube relays, nobody in India makes it. Do you know how much space it takes to make sugar cube relays? It's not a big enterprise. It's a big market. Semiconductor to bhuli jao. There used to be a fab in Mohali, it's closed. There's one fab, functional, which is under DRDO. That's it. We had a fab closed down because we just weren't doing the right things, obviously. We are manufacturing LEDs. The biggest export in electronics out of our country is UPSs. That's it. We can sit down and make a UPS in half an hour with the amount of knowledge we have. The company making the most revenue in electronics in our country is the company that's making LED tail lights for automotive. We're obviously not doing the right things. $500 billion? You know what that can do? I don't know. So what we need to do is that we need a new talent pool. A new talent pool of people like yourselves who are innovative, creative, understand a little bit of economics of sale purchase, that's all, and a little bit of auto walo ke sath haggling, that's it. That's all you guys need to know. You can start off right away, small little things, start making them. You have the internet to promote it, man. Internet was not such a easy access thing. I mean, we didn't have broadband when I was in college. So just come up with small little things that you can make, man. Just start there. I'm guaranteeing you within 1 year you will be able to make that money and say no to a job. The boss, somebody who's not as smart as me, just please take up that job and work for someone else. I'll just do my own thing. And once you have that stable income, after that you go and delve into whatever you want, man. Whatever. It's an amazing feeling, you know. It happened with me over the last 1.5 years when we got into the joint venture with the Germans. After that, we've hired people who are pretty senior, and now it's all stable. I go to the factory like 2 times a week. Obviously, I've had my dad sort of start taking care of that, and I'm working on this new thing, which is still to be unveiled. But yeah, we need to do stuff, guys. Just start making, building. You know those things that Gadre sir makes in the CEDT labs. A lot of them are sellable products. A lot of them. There's some very good ideas. I think that was your dice thing was very nice. He's used a Faraday tube with magnets inside, and you know, you shake it, it gets charged, and then it displays. And you can use that application for so many things. Make practical things. It's not tough. And don't keep relying on the college to provide things to you in a platter. They will not be able to do it, boss. They have a college to run. You can't say that there is no industry interface. Well, you know how tough it is to go meet the right people in a company? It takes 3 phone calls. 1 to the reception, and that's if you don't have internet. If you don't have internet, you make the first phone call to 22222, okay, 8 times. You get the number of the company. Second phone call you make to the reception. You talk to the person on the reception, tell them that this is what I want to talk to someone about, who is the relevant person. They give you that person's contact. Third phone call, you have yourself a meeting lined up. I've done it lots of times. It's very doable. Don't keep telling that there is no industry interface in the college and this and that. All excuses, boss. You don't even need to get a company registered. You can just be a proprietor. It's not tough. Start making the money, man. And please do not be ashamed of making money. I mean, this is something that I've found very, very weird. Like I said, nobody mentioned that you want to make money. Why the hell not, man? Why the hell not? It's a necessity of life. This teacher of mine used to say that पेट भी तो शरीर से जुड़ा हुआ है ना. Have to provide for yourself. Have to provide for your family. And why not? When you can do it, you're in a position to do a lot better than others. I think you have a very, very strong support system, at least technically. Let me tell you, Gadre sir is not going to let you get stuck anywhere if you're persistent enough. If you're not persistent, you give up, then you're not meant for it anyways. So don't give up. Next. Yeah, that's what I believe. Engineers plus common sense, anything is possible, guys. Absolutely anything. And I'm proof of it. I haven't done my MBA, I haven't done whatever. You don't need it for something like this. You need it for other reasons at later points in time. That's a separate issue. But you guys need to do. Let's stop talking. Let's start doing. It's very, very important. Let's start acting. Let's start making that thing. Let's start getting it into shape. You guys don't have any liabilities. I mean, I don't know if any of you is earning your way through college. That didn't happen when I was here. College is very cheap, man, in India. It's insane outside, 50 lakh rupees, 80 lakh rupees. People study there. They work while they study. They do whatever odd jobs they can do. They don't have the opportunity to spend their precious time. You see, you don't value your time enough. They don't have the opportunity to spend those extra 3 hours or 2 hours or whatever on something that can be a very bright future. You do. Those guys are working in those 2 hours because they're making those $12 an hour. So look at things in a more global perspective. You're in a very good position to start doing something. Instead of sitting online and wasting your time, start doing something worthwhile online. It's very doable. It's not tough. You just need to be focused. Next, so think, all of you. Now, why am I here? Because somebody needs to do something. That's why I'm here. I'm somebody. We keep hearing this all the time. Somebody, somebody, somebody. Nobody does anything. So I decided to become somebody. And this is my cause. This is what I am working towards. To create and promote a culture for electronics. I am working purely to get enough credentials for the field per se. And I've done some nice things, I'll just tell you. And yes, I want my country to get its fair share of the $500 billion. The initiative that I've started is called Gadgetronics. So it's gadget plus electronics, Gadgetronics, with an X. I've recently started a Facebook group by the same name, Gadgetronics. The site is ready. I'm waiting for the right time to launch it. I've put some very interesting things on the site which can be very useful to engineers also. There's this circuit simulator online where you can make circuits of all sorts. There's op amps and gates and 555 timers and blah blah blah. So you can just pick the components, add the wires, and then whatever you want to add, just add it, and then just see it in the scope. There's a scope, niche oscilloscope types, so you can see all that. Plus there's tutorials for beginners. I would appreciate it if some of you guys can make some tutorials for that. That will be great. But that will happen when the site gets launched, which should be this month only.